toys.
Julian! Hi! Hi!
I believe I got pie!
Tell him, my name is Julian. Awkward.
Hit him. Hit him, hit him. Hit him again, hit him again. Hit Cris.
Come on.
Oh. No. Julian, you.
Again.
Oh, Julian, hit him.
Oh,
I think Mama got Papa and Cris Jr.'s weapon. Bring them in.
yeah.
Whoa, what are they? Why did you take your gloves off?
Yeah.
We don't want the fan.
Yeah.
Oh no. Here, Julian, defend yourself.
Come on, let's fight. Yeah.
Oh no. What kind of battle is this? What kind of battle is this? Oh no, Julian, he just chopped you in your head. Cris, he just cut you in half, Cris. He just cut you in half. So is everybody gonna ignore the powerful gloves?
Yeah. I cut his head off.
Oh no.
Die, the beast.
Oh no.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh no.
Ow. Yeah.
Hey, Julian. Julian. Oh, sorry.
Hey! What are you doing to Mama?
Julian. Julian.
Yeah!
Oh, you got me. No.
Punch me in the nose.
Julian. Fight. Come at me, bro. Come at me. Come at me.
Come at me.
No.
Oh, I got him down by hitting him with my leg. Chop those legs off!
Oh, Julian. You got the camera.
I got the camera. You will hit the fan.
You can barely pick it up.
I can barely pick
They're
this
not
up.
that heavy, but they're kind of heavy for him.
Oh, I'll fight you. I'm recording and I'll fight you at the same time. Come on. Come on.
Bye, Daddy!
Come on.
You got me.
You want some of this? Come here. Come here. I'll give you some of these. You want some of these knuckles, Julian? Come here.
Go get the
And and
Come here, hit Papa.
yeah, I can.
Punch Papa.
come on. Calm down, Julian. Ready? Come on. Fight. Come on, Cris.
He said, with them.
Fight me, Mama.
No. You guys go.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, he got you again, Cris. Victory is Julian's. Yeah.
Get off my head.
Oh no. Julian, he's getting you.
He's chopping me.
Defend yourself. No. Oh, he got you in the head, Julian.
Yeah, I got a head chop. Come on. Oh, you want to change? Okay.
Oh, look, but he wants to change.
Oh, yeah, I like this one. I get
Really, that's mean.
He wants to switch.
He's like, it's hard to control this one. I got that on camera too. Whoa. It's because that one has a handlebar. He likes
The
it.
other one doesn't. Chop him, chop him.
What are you turning me into a puck?
Taquitos.
I'm alive, I healed. Yeah.
You see my fist? They have superpowers. They fight and hit people.
Hey, Mama.
Oh, it's both of you guys against me?
It comes back.
And it comes back. And it really does fly.
And it comes back.
And it comes back. You see? My superpowers are pretty cool. You want some of this, Julian? No. You want some of this? No.
You must make me fall.
Julian, you want some of this?
I want some of that. Oh, good. Give me that.
And the comeback. And
Oh, we didn't get him. What do you mean?
oh. Julian, you can't do that.
Dude, you hit the background.
Here, Julian. Hit him, Julian. Hit him.
Hit me.
Hit him.
Hit me. Ah.
Oh no. And this is when we knew Cris was done.
My hand is made out of metal.
Yeah.
How are we supposed to be you? Oh.